In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily leave a group text message on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Messages app. Then tap right here at that icon. First of all, guys, I'm gonna enter some text here. And then if we want to send this text to someone, all we have to do is just tap right here once where it says to. Then this plus icon will appear, and by tapping at that icon we'll be able to add multiple users from our contacts book to that field. So all the users we have selected will get that message once we send it. So let me add another one. And then all we have to do in order to send a message, to create basically a group chat with that user, we can just tap right here. That will send that message, and then all the users from that list will get this message, and they will be able to respond on that message in that conversation. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.